All right, welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps. This is Margie, your hostess for the mostest. There we go. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Alrighty, I had to put the oils back in the microwave for another minute. Very, very thick, and so this is, what was it, 107? That's much warmer than I usually use, but in my recipe, I do have a very high amount of, it's like a solidified soybean and tallow or lard. And so it really thickens up as soon as it gets down to a certain temperature. So hopefully that will be all right. And so what the video is about today, it's just going to be a little short one, but it's going to be probably part one of another Christmas project. Oh, I'm in the way there. All right, so here are these. There we go. 2 is upside down, but these tree molds are from Amazon, and I will include them somewhere. Now, the interesting thing is this one here is one that I bought like a year or so ago, and can you tell it's much thicker, has a much thicker wall, and I just received these from, I believe it was the same company just a couple of days ago, but can you, it might be a little bit hard to tell, but if you look at the older one here, at the thick walls, and this one, it's so much thinner, and so I'm hoping that, oh, and then plus, let's see, can we bring this up here? Okay, and then can you see how much taller this one is compared to the other two? Yeah. So we shall see. So these are, I'm going to be making a 12-pound batch of something. I don't want to be giving away what the something is. That will be part 2. And so I already have the snow and other things. So maybe you know what I'm going to be making. I think maybe this is like the 3rd year I have done this. Oh, are we even in view? Well, let's see. So anyway, gang, yeah, so I'm on the tail end of making the Christmas soaps, and I really need to get this going because I have as many of you subscribed viewers. Thank you very much. I have my 3rd historical romance that it's all edited after I got it back from my editor a couple of months ago, but it's just taken me so long because soaping isn't the only thing that I do, and gardening isn't the only thing that I do, and so it seems like I just got too many things going. So anyway, so I need to get that turned into a Kindle book first, and then the paperback, and the cover is just beautiful. I have actually it's a husband and wife. The wife, Jessica, she did the cover for me, and her husband John, he did the editing. So it's kind of neat, husband and wife team. So anyway, so I want to get all the Christmas soap done very, very soon, and maybe just this week, and then I will really get going on my 3rd book. And I'm thinking of doing some sort of a like a giveaway, because I'm getting close to 10,000 views for this channel, which is kind of exciting. Just need maybe a couple hundred, and then I'll have 10,000. So what I might do to encourage those who are sitting on the fence, watching the videos but not subscribing, is maybe once I hit the 10,000, I will do a giveaway which will include either the 2 books that I already have, or wait till I get the 3rd book done and then include a bar each of all of my soaps that are on the curing rack. So how does that sound, gang? So it doesn't matter if you subscribed a million years ago or just freshly subscribed. I think I will just, of course, include everybody. And then as soon as I hit the 10,000, then I will do a fun little drawing and I will let everybody know. So, okay, let's get this show on the road, gang. Enough of the yik-yak. Yickety-yak, don't talk back. Am I still kind of sort of in view? Yes, there we go. Okay, gang, let's get blending this. Okay, birthday baby. See, this is always so weird how this turns a tan on me. I don't understand. But oh well. But everything is fine in the end. Okay. Put that over there. All right. So I need to measure out 16 ounces. I'm curious. And I don't know, oh, that kitchen light, oh my gosh, it's probably throwing off the color, but it's kind of like a light tan. Okay, 96.5 or 35.9. Okay, let's get this puppy going. Oh, Sarah, you won't. Come on. Okay. Okay, so this is the mistletoe from Candle Science, and it might thicken up on me really fast here. Let's get this white going. Maybe that just give it a quick buzz. Where's the hole? Okay. Okay, I'm just going to put just a tiny splash in so it's scented. Maybe like a capful. Okay. Call it good, call it good. La 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 da 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 do 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 do. Okay, bring you up. Okay, just don't look at the kitchen, folks. Actually, maybe what I'll do is that all the higher it goes? Okay, just don't look at the mess in the background. Okay. All right, now those doggone, let's start with this one. These new moles better not leak on me, or else I'm going to be very upset. Woo! Stop the train. Okay. So far, so good. Woo. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the same. It's from the same company, these moles, because I went back to, what I bought. Okay, no leaking. No leaking. Okay, so there we go. Hopefully I'll have 3 nice trees. So, that one right there. Where are we at? Oh, see that first one is kind of going down, so it better not be leaking. But anyway, I will let you all know, and I will probably take these out of these little moles in a couple of days. Okay, guys, bye-bye.